The Hisense KitchenFit 5i washing machine comes with some really handy features that make laundry day so much easier. Let's see what it's got to offer. A lot of the time, white goods like washing machines are deeper than your kitchen cabinets, so they jut out of your cupboards. Well, Hisense have thought about this, and this has a KitchenFit design which pretty much does what it says on the tin, shrinking the depth of the washing machine so it sits flush with your kitchen cabinets. Even with this smaller space-saving design, the max drum gives you the same height and width as you'd get with a standard size washing machine, so you can still wash a whole week's worth of laundry in one go. The new drum size also gives you a stronger dropping force, which helps to dislodge dirt and give you a deeper, more efficient clean. And check out this color touchscreen. The 3.55-inch display is really user-friendly and tells you exactly what you get with each setting. Turn the dial on the left to pick your wash cycle, and then you can use these touch controls to tweak the temperature, time, RPM and more, tuning them up if you want a bit of a deeper clean. You can also use the dial and screen to set timers, switch on the child lock and target specific stains. If you keep turning the dial, you'll find the Quick Wash Pro setting. This is something I know I'd use a lot, as it washes a full 9 kg load in just 59 minutes and a half load in 39 minutes. And for the 10.5/12 kg capacity of this model, it can wash a full load in 49 minutes and 30 minutes for the half load. So when you've only got an hour before you need to head out, you've still got time to put a wash on and hang it out to dry for the day. Plus, if you're really in a rush, there is even a setting that can wash a 2 kg load in just 15 minutes. If you'd like to find out more information about this washing machine, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.